Hello everyone, this is Last Garden Standing. It's a great morning. It's crisp, but it's nice. I just going to bring you a short video on how I'm getting ready to go outside. And one of the first things I do is set up my Hummingbird Station. Hummingbirds are just beautiful and they come back every year. They know my feeders are here. I've seen a couple already. So I just set up the feeders and I put a flower on the feeders this time. It's called the Rio, and it's a tubal-like flower, so they really like it. I'm hoping that helps attract. I just decided to put a flower on the hooks. But I also have some stuff down here to attract them. Here's a Rio too that's red, just getting ready to bloom out. I've got some herbs back there, some rosemary. I have some bee balm, lemon balm. And here's teddy bear sunflowers. I'm hoping they grow. They've just been planted, so they're not up yet. And of course some other herbs and some plants to be planted. But here's my station up on my deck. And I make my own solution, and I can't wait for them to come. I think they are here. I can hear them chattering in my trees. So they're just a great bird to have around. They're so cute, and they become very friendly. They come right up to us and look at us, and they can eat out of your hands, out of a container out of your hands as well. Here is another feeder that I've set up this year. It's over there. It's on the side of the deck. It's by my lilac tree. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little ways away, but it's got one of those Rio flowers on it. It's white though. And another glass feeder. I like to use the glass ones. I think it's more organic for them than having plastic, but it's a matter of choice. There's my honeysuckles. They're not in bloom yet, but that is directly for the hummers and the bees. So we've got some things coming out that will come out better in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I trimmed those down last fall, and they're coming out really good. They're looking good. So they're getting new foliage. Wanted to bring you this. I'm getting ready to go outside to plant. One quick show. I've had my tomatoes and peppers out for a month. They've been under plastic, which serves as a little greenhouse. Just wanted you to know about that. But those are the first couple of things that I've done so far, and I'm getting ready to get out in the yard. I have trimmed my grapevines. They're getting new foliage in the back. So I can hear the hummers now in the trees. We'll be silent for a minute and see if we can't hear them. Well, I heard them, but they're a little leery about the feeders. I just got them out. So we will have more on our hummingbirds that come back every year. Thank you for watching, and like, share, and subscribe. Give me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.